Hi everybody, and welcome to this lesson on elastic load balancing, or also sometimes referred to as ELB. Now, elastic load balancing automatically distributes incoming application traffic across multiple targets, whether it be an EC2 instance, be a container, an IP address, or even Lambda functions. It can also handle varying load of your application traffic in a single availability zone or even across multiple ones. It offers 3 different types of load balancers that all feature the high availability, automatic scaling, and robust security necessary to make your applications fault tolerant. And we'll look at the 3 that are offered in the next slide. Now, what you guys see are some of the benefits that ELB brings. First and foremost, it's highly available because it automatically distributes incoming traffic across multiple targets. It can also load balance across a region, routing traffic to healthy targets in different availability zones. It's also extremely secure because it works with the virtual private cloud to provide robust security features, including integrated certificate management, user authentication, and even SSL or TLS decryption. And some of the other features it has, it's elastic, flexible, and again, like with most Amazon Web Services features, it has a robust monitoring and auditing that you can do through either CloudWatch or CloudTrail. Now, one of the good things about the load balancer is that it offers the ability to balance across AWS and on-premises resources using the same load balancer. So this makes it easier for you to migrate, burst, or failover on-prem applications to the cloud. Now, one of the balancers that it offers is the application load balancer, which operates at the request level or layer 7 load balancing. It routing traffic to targets, EC2 instances, IP addresses, and Lambda functions like I mentioned. It's ideal for advanced load balancing of HTTP and HTTPS traffic. Application Load Balancer provides advanced request routing targeted at delivery of modern application architectures, including microservices and even container-based applications. It simplifies and improves the security of your application by ensuring that the latest SSL or TLS ciphers and protocols are being used at all times. The next one is the Network Load Balancer, which is best suited for load balancing of TCP traffic where extreme performance is required. This one operates at the layer 4, and it routes traffic to targets within an Amazon virtual private cloud and is capable of handling millions of requests per second while maintaining ultra-low latencies. It's also optimized to handle sudden and volatile traffic patterns. And lastly, the Classic Load Balancer, which provides basic load balancing across multiple EC2 instances and operates at both the request level and the connection level. Now, the Classic Load Balancer is intended for applications that were built within the EC2 Classic network. Now, there are a lot more features to each 3 of these, and we're not going to get into those because they're a bit outside of the scope of this course. But just keep in mind the basic benefits of an elastic load balancer and the 3 main balancers that are offered by Amazon Web Services, which is the application, the network, and the classic. So now let's log into our management console and see what different features the elastic load balancing can offer us.